in this video, I wanted to show you how to use criterias to decide whether to show or hide records, to show or hide some parts of your document like table blocks and paragraphs. So you can add criterias to almost every config type in your PDF Butler. These are some of the use cases. Here you can see we have a list of opportunity line items where I wanted to show only hardware products of an opportunity, and all the remaining products, I wanted to repeat them as a paragraph list. And one more use case is this is a block where I have wanted to show when the customer is a new customer and he opted for Bronze SLA. And I wanted to show this block saying that there is a 10% discount if you upsell from Bronze SLA to Gold SLA. So these are some of the use cases. Let's start creating. Go to Salesforce. And you can see I already have one opportunity with products where 4 are hardware products and remaining 3 are other products. So first start creating a data source to fetch all these opportunity line items. So I have already created that. You can see this data source of SOQL record type, and type is a list of subjects. And I have added this query using SOQL Builder. So select all the fields that are required for your document. Add the filter, which is nothing but opportunity ID equals to record ID, because you need to fetch the line items of that particular opportunity. So this filter should be important, and review the query once and save it. Create a doc config. I have already created one that should be of main word document record type. Open the PDF Butler. Add the data source into the doc config. Once the data source is added, you can upload this document under doc config document section. Create a table row config type. Because this is a table row, you wanted to repeat this table row. So the config type should be of table row and map it to product name merge field. From your document, add all the single config types that are mapped to product name, quantity, and total price. Save the doc config. Go back to opportunity. So this doc config will appear only if you add this doc config ID in the PDF Butler Convert component. I will show you how to edit the opportunity page. I already have my convert component in my opportunity page. So if you don't have search it here and drag it over here, then add config ID, click on save. Now if you generate the document, you can see all the products are appearing because I haven't added criteria yet. So go back to the doc config, add the criteria to the table row. The criteria should be product family equals to hardware. Because this is a field which stores the family of the products. So from this field, we are separating the hardware products and other products. So click OK, save it to server, then go back to the opportunity, generate the document again. Now you can see only 4 products that are hardware appears in the table. Next, we will create this use case where other products should appear as a paragraph list. So start creating paragraph config type. select the data source, map it to the merge field. Of course, add the condition because we want only other products. So product2.family should not be equals to hardware. Click on OK, create a single child config type. Data source field should be product2.name and merge field should be product name. Click on OK, save to server. Now generate the document again. So the remaining 3 other products appears in the paragraph list. Because of the criteria we have added, let us start creating another use case. So this block should appear only when the customer is a new customer and the opportunity has a bronze SLA. So to know whether the opportunity has a bronze SLA, we have to add one more data source. I have already created the data source. So the query should be like this. Select count of ID from opportunity line item, give some alias name for count, and the filter should be opportunity ID equals to record ID. Of course, you are fetching the line items of that particular opportunity, and the product code should be bronze SLA product code. You can copy this product code from bronze SLA, save the query, and also create one more data source which will fetch the opportunity details. Because I just wanted to run that block of table only once. No need to run through all the products. Just by running only once, we will get to know whether the customer is a new customer and he opted for bronze SLA because of this query. So I already have one data source on opportunity. To the same data source, I already added type field, which says the customer is a new customer or existing customer. So add these 2 data sources to your .config. Once this has been added, create a table config type table. Data source should be has bronze SLA. Map it to the merge field show discount. Leave the settings as it is. And when the criteria fails, I wanted to remove entire paragraph. So I am selecting the containing paragraph in remove merge field action. Add the condition where opportunity type equals to new customer. Add one more condition where has bronze SLA. The alias name which you have given in the query should be greater than 0. So when there is a bronze SLA product under your opportunity and the opportunity is a new customer, then only discount block of code in your document should appear. Click on OK, save to server. Go back to the opportunity. So this opportunity is a new customer and also have a bronze SLA product. I am generating the document now. So the block will appear because the criteria is matching. So now I will try another scenario where that customer is an existing customer. Now generate the document again. So now that table block disappeared. So this is how you can add criterias to your conflict types. Thank you.